And now we're at Ocala.
And we found another little pretty place that has a lovely little fountain walking into.
It's supposedly a springs, and it's open to the public. This is so awesome.
It even says online that only well-trained pets are allowed. You know.
And Teddy is a very well-behaved,
well-trained little booger that's being a butt right now.
Teddy, what are you doing? Teddy always has an adventure. He's trying to pee every single place he goes to. You know?
Yes, he
always
does.
just trying to pee.
Watch, see, there we go.
Teddy. 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 Look at here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Teddy, look at me. Why are you peeing everywhere? Because you're a dog? Alright. Alright. We Gucci. We Gucci, we Gucci. Awesome. Hi. That's so awesome.
That was baby fever times 12 with those rosy little cheeks. She deserved to have pet Teddy. She deserved it with those little eyes.
But Teddy doesn't want to get pet.
Yes, he does.
Huh?
Teddy wants to be pet by everybody.
No, Teddy doesn't.
Yes, he does.
Teddy, you don't, right?
Teddy, look me if you think you want to get pet by everybody.
No, Teddy. You don't. We're having an adventure, and it's like we're walking through a jungle.
So fun. I love it already. The water is even so much prettier than the usual trails that we've gone on.
Exactly.
Why would we even bring this? We're never going to use this. We never use this.
Yes, we do. We need it. Right, Teddy?
You know what? You should be holding it, you know? You was the one that said bring it.
Yo.
I got, like, so many bags.
Alright, fine. I'll hold it.
Your boat stuff.
Oh, wow. The water is so blue. This is actually Florida life, the blue waters. That you hear about on TV? So nice. Wow. This is so beautiful. The water looks nice. You look beautiful. Look at the camera. Look at that.
Stop.
Look at that image. Oh, wow. Wow. There's no way. They're not blue fish. I think it's because of the water. It looks like blue fish.
Well, we found something pretty cool. We don't know what it is.
What is that? It looks like a mansion.
Twin
Oaks. I don't even know. We went from the springs to like a mansion.
Tony's coming back. Come here.
It's like a White House in the middle of the springs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's probably like a museum or something. It looks closed.
It looks
because no one is going through here, and I don't think we're supposed to go through here.
Doesn't say no.
She says, doesn't say it doesn't.
It doesn't say no, though.
I mean, you right.
It's only the mosquitoes that are telling me no.
Exactly. Yeah. That looks like a mystical garden. Like some Shrek type of architecture. She's getting bit by mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. Teddy, Run,
Teddy,
Teddy, run,
mosquitoes.
Teddy, run.
Teddy, mosquitoes.
Run, mosquitoes, mosquitoes.
Looks like M&M's
Where?
right here. Look at that though.
Wow,
So cool. I don't
look
know
at
what
it.
that is.
It looks
I
like
already know I'm not gonna eat
poison.
it. I've seen all the videos online. You don't need the berries that you find.
The wild flower garden. Oh yeah, look at all those beautiful wildflowers. Wow. The camera is just doing such a great job at getting these.
There's an actually wildflower garden.
It was that.
It was just that?
Yeah, that's the wildflower garden. Alright guys, we're heading back to the car. We saw pretty much everything at the springs. This is so cool.
Yeah,
It's
there's still so many mosquitoes.
so many mosquitoes everywhere. We literally got torn apart today, but it was all worth it though.
So worth it. We got some great footage and then aerial footage too that we got with the drone.
Literally for $4 and maybe some gas money and food money, you could come out here and like chill for social distancing, you know?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys.
Bye
Bye.
guys.
Bye.
Bye.